Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change windshield wipers on a Cadillac XT4. It's a simple maintenance task that you can easily do yourself. First, make sure you have the correct replacement blades. The driver's side is usually 24 inches, and the passenger's is 20 inches. You'll also want a small flathead screwdriver and a soft towel to protect your windshield. To begin, ensure your Cadillac XT4 is turned off. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position. Now, look for a small retaining clip or tab at the connection point between the blade and the arm. Press or lift this clip, then slide the old blade down and off the hook-style arm. Always be careful not to let the metal arm snap back onto the glass. Now, let's install your new wiper blades. Take your new blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the blade firmly upwards onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's locked. Give it a gentle tug to ensure it's secure. Once both new blades are attached, carefully lower both wiper arms back down onto your windshield. With your new blades installed, it's time for a quick test. Turn on your vehicle and activate the wipers with some washer fluid. Observe them closely to ensure they operate smoothly, clearing the windshield without any streaks or chattering. For best visibility and safety, we recommend replacing your Cadillac XT4 wiper blades at least once every 12 months, and remember to keep them clean.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.